Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? It's a very emergency update for all of you, my brother, and Dogecoin holders, especially. I have so good news, is my friend, for all of you. Yeah, the first good news. Oh my goodness, my brother. When I see this change occur, so I am so excited to see this, my friend. And last 7 days, you can see here 16% the price is increased now. Last 24 hours, 6%. Last 1 hour, 1.40. Oh my good, it is a massive jump, my friend. Therefore, I will tell you, my brothers. So this is very urgent update now for all of you. Let's see, my brothers, towards the prediction. Really, can they will moving upward, and the chart, if you can say, my brother, this time the Dogecoin is going to be viral again now. So I'm so happy to see this. But definitely, my friend, this is possible to they will moving upward more and more. But if you hold it now, so don't do any mistake, my brother. Kindly hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a very good profit now, and they will make you a millionaire now. So let's see, Dogecoin holder. But absolutely, my friend, my prediction is also going to be positive now, because I know, my brothers, when I see this chart, so definitely I will tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time they will move upward more and more very fastly. They will move more and more, because I already tell in my previous video, my friends, to my holder, my subscribers, to the I know, my brothers, to Dogecoin, as it fails down, and they will give you a very good profit. So if they fails down, so therefore today they fails down, so my brother, they cannot give you, my friend, a good profit. But at this time, my friend, Dogecoin is completely going the moon. So I'm so happy to see this, and absolutely, my friend, if this is starting moving upward, so it's a really good news for all of you now. So my brother, the second good news is this, my friends, to we do, my friends, absolutely, my friend, especially for these holder who are new, especially, and this time in the crypto market. So this is very good news for all of you. To the giveaway is coming soon now. We do a giveaway, so kindly, if you want to participate, so just in all, my brothers, try best now. Subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's see, please subscribe this channel.